Thank you for watching this video, and this is part 2 of the tech items to watch for 2020. So I ask you to please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and go below and connect with us on our social media channels. So we're going to finish the list. There's 20 items of tech to watch for 2020. So we did the 1 through 10. So this is the 11 through 20. Please watch the other video. We'll try to have it around this video somewhere. And you watch all the tech gadgets and tech things to watch for 2020. Thanks for watching. We'll be right back. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, we are back now with the tech items. So let's go ahead and follow through. Of course, you've seen the 1 through 10, and let's go directly to the screen here. I was already on it. Okay, Bondic. This is number 11. Fit virtually anything with innovative new product, just don't call it glue. Basically, fix virtually anything. This is quite interesting. Broken glasses, leaky plumbing holes, patched, broken dishes. Bondic, you simply apply the special liquid plastic formula to the item you need repaired. Shine the special UV light on it for only 4 seconds, and you're done. So I think this may be something I need to get and review. Just going to be truthful. And I'm sure that we all always have something that we need to glue. So I really want to probably going to try to grab that and do a product review, just see if it works. Okay, Key Smart. Lose the bulky mass of keys. There again, this is probably one of those GPS trackers. Key Smart, it's an ultra durable, handy key organizer. I'm sorry. It holds up to 14 keys. I'm wrong. Holds up to 14 keys, and that way you can slip it in your pocket pretty easy. The only thing I quickly see is the car keys, the bigger plastic keys, wouldn't work. Neck hammock. Release tension and ease neck pain in minutes, at home, office, anywhere. This uses your own body weight and the pull from it to stretch the bands to create a cervical traction, a fancy way of saying a gradual stretching of your neck to release tense, tired neck muscles. That might be something if you have a lot of neck problems. Okay, fit your back pain, correct your posture. This is called Better Back. It improves your posture by putting your back and body in proper position when you don't have the strength to do it yourself. Which is 15 minutes a day or more if you want. You start feeling and looking great. It'll change your life. Okay, that might be something. If you have a lot of back trouble, try it out. Okay, this is number 15, Charge Hub Go. Smart speed technology makes this portable charger a must-have. Let's see what it does. Okay, it's built with patented smart speed technology. It automatically detects the device you're charging and provides the maximum charging speed capable. Plus, you can charge not one, not two, but 4 devices at once. Interesting. That might work. Even better, it has built-in charging cords and a cordless charging pad, so you're always to charge anything when you need it most. So interesting. That might be interesting. Okay. Wear your favorite heels, you ladies, 4 times longer without pain. Okay, so this is a slim shoe insert. It makes your going out shoes feel as good as they look. Instead of the just cushioning problem areas, it redistributes your weight to stop the cause of high heel pain at its source. Interesting. Number 17, screen clean. You might remember the other cleaner in the first video, the top 10 for glass cleaners. This kind of has the same effect in a way. It's a carbon molecular technology. Screen clean sets the bar for screen cleaners. It basically has looks like a rubber thing to clean the screen, and you see how easy it does. That might be something to look at. Number 18, prevent nasty odors. Okay, this award-winning odor destroyer is proven to quickly absorb harmful moisture and prevent 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria. Simply stick them in anything that stinks, and stank sticks instantly starts removing the pungent, awful odor forever. That might be nice to have, especially living here in South Florida. Different things get wet. Handy heater. Heats up any room fast. New pocket-sized plug-in heater. Cool. Plugs right into your outlet to warm up your bathroom, office, RV, camper, garage, storage unit, or anywhere you need warm. Let's see. It does 250 square feet. So that's pretty cool. That's the one big thing. You have a big room, find out how much it does. That might be worth it. And number 20, Fit Track. Fit Track is it's a groundbreaking technology. Okay, delivered right to your phone. The patented equipment is so effective and accurate that it's used by leading physicians and nutritionists. It really doesn't say, the step on the smart scale and 17 measurements about your body and health. Okay. All right. That's what it does. So, there is one that I want to add on. It's not in the top 20, but it is something that I wanted to show you. Let's see here if I still got it up. Okay. There it is. Sorry about that. Okay. This is something that I'm a real techie type of guy. So Samsung shows off selfie type an invisible keyboard for your phone. Samsung is typically a leader all the time. Of course, I'm an Android guy, and many like iPhone, but Samsung typically is most generally the leader in the technology. Then Apple comes along and tries to copy. The self-type is just the latest in a long line of virtual keyboards. Virtual is here. The Verge wrote that existing software applications tend to be slow and inaccurate, which has plagued adoption rates in the past. So what they've done, Samsung is working on this. They did not announce when it's going to be available for purchase, but I'm saying keep an eye on this. You'll be able to set up your phone or your tablet and have a virtual keyboard and just type away. That's pretty cool. So what will happen is not only phones, tablets, it comes to computers too. So I hope you enjoyed these tech gadgets to keep an eye on for 2020. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Thank you, those that have subscribed. I'm really trying to build this for 2020. And go ahead and share it with your friends. Thank you for those that have shared it. Follow us on our website and our blog. And then also connect with us below on our social media platforms. I'm going to be trying to do better on our social media. I don't do as good as what I should. Need to keep up with it. But I'm trying to build this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.